Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get student discount. Let's begin. Evernote offers a student discount for eligible users, providing a reduced rate on its premium plans. Now, once you open the Evernote app on your mobile device, if you're using an iOS or an Android, I want you to hover to the upper left corner where you can see your profile icon. And then from here, I want you to go to the help section. Why? Because in the help center, you want to type in student. All right, click this search button. You would be forwarded to the Evernote offers for students. All right, click this. You will be forwarded to a new page wherein what's being offered, and you can check out the currently available offers by visiting this page. But the thing is, you want to make sure, all right, to read and understand all of this information. This is one of the prerequisite of getting this student discount. All right, you need to be a college student with a valid school ID. All right, and all of this information in this list. Be a new Evernote user or an existing Evernote free user. All right, you can use all of these. I suggest you read and understand all of this information. And now you need to go to this offer page. You will be forwarded to a separate window. If you click on the verify if eligible, all right, you see discount not available depending on the region or specific location. But don't worry, because alternatively you may wish to visit the myunidays.com. You will be forwarded to another web page, and then all I have to do is just follow with the on-screen instructions. All right, wait for it to load. Make sure that you are not using a VPN or a proxy, and you are connected to an active internet connection. Now, what will happen is it will be forwarded to the Unidays ID. All right, enter your personal ID right here. For example, that's gonna be and click the agree and continue. All right, so you need to go here and confirm it's you. Wait for it to load. Takes a little while. Okay, so now all I have to do is to verify your eligibility. You just have to fill in as much as information as you can. All right, obviously I'm not a student anymore, so I'm not gonna qualify for this. But if you are a student, you might want to fill in some information. And at the very last part of the checkout process, you would notice that there is an email confirmation, and one of the support staff will give you an email if you have verified and you qualified for the Evernote student discount. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Alternatively, you can always go to the submit a support request or a question. You can raise a question here about the accounts and subscriptions. All right, it's kind of like easy. I've done this multiple past. Right, feature request, account type is right here. It's gonna be free. Subject is student discount. All right, how to avail if eligible, and then attach some information like add a file for supplemental info right here, and then click on submit. And one of these support staff will give you insights and guidance on how you can if you're eligible for that, you know. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.